Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, I have a buzz cut. Hair's hopefully going to be back in a month or so. So other than that, we are going to do some aesthetic mods to the car today. I have a couple of items that I got. These are sick. So we have the entire Goldenwrench set over here. I think these are going to make the engine bay look so nice. We're going to start off with this. I think this is a oil cap. And it looks like these are just going to go directly on top of your OEM covers with some 3M. We have the oil cap, we have the two coolant caps, we have the fuel cap, and then we have the washer fluid cap. So this is going to look sick. And then I also got some OEM BMW carbon fiber door sills. Man, check this out. So sick. This is just going to replace my current door sills. I wish this right here said M4 instead of performance, but we know BMW is not going to make a different version for every single car, but still sick. So I'm going to head to the garage real quick, and then I'm going to get these installed, and we'll see how it looks. All right, guys, so this is what the engine bay looks like right now. As you can see, I do have that color matched front mount intake in Brooklyn gray, so it looks kind of nice already, but everything else just seems plastic. So we got the washer fluid right here. It's got the little blue on top. These are one of the cooling caps that we're gonna change. We got one there. We got another one right there. This one's also gonna get something on top of it. So those are the pieces we're gonna change over here. And then you guys already know what the fuel cap looks like. Super basic, nothing crazy. We're just gonna make it look nicer. All right, guys, so we'll start off with this one. You're just gonna pull that off. This should go in just like that. So let me get this settled in, and then. All right, guys, so we have the pieces put on. Man, these look so good. I don't know why I waited this long to get these, but we have the washer fluid, the coolant. Oh, that red, man, that red pops. We got the oil, the other coolant. Now I think all I'm gonna do is probably get a carbon fiber engine cover, and then I might change the strut braces, I don't know. But wow, these look great. And then let's check out the man, these look so nice, guys. Super easy to put on. It literally goes on with 3M tape, except this one. This one has a nice seal around it. It's super tight. Yeah, now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get the carbon fiber, the OEM door sills put on. I bought those, so let's get those put on and then we'll see how it all looks. All right, guys, so I found a few videos on YouTube showing how to install M3 door sills. However, I could not find a single one showing you how to install G82 M4. I think they're pretty much the same. The M3 ones might have just 4 clips. I'm not sure. The M4 ones have 6 clips. So before tugging on your OEM door sills and just taking off, the way I would recommend you do this is, imagine, so I already changed this out, so let me just show you what I did. Imagine this is your new door sill, right? What you're gonna do is take that door sill, line it up against this just like that. I would say flip it this way, right? So now you can see where all the clips are. You're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4 clips down the middle. I did not know that there were some clips on this edges. One here and one on this edge. The reason why the clips aren't in here right now is they stayed locked in over here. I had to yank them out later, but I did break this OEM one right here, as you can see. This one I got lucky. I don't know how, it just came off and didn't snap, but what I would suggest you do is, so you've lined these up, you flip this over, you can now see, all right, there's gonna be a clip at the edge. go to your OEM door sill, you know the clip's gonna be right there. Take a plastic pry tool, if I can find one, something like this, stick it underneath, go to the edge, and pull up right there. You're gonna hear it click or pop, you're good to go right there. Then what I would do is, see where this clip was, take an estimate of the distance. So it goes from here, someplace around there. As you're sliding this underneath here, get to that spot, pop up, that's gonna pop. Look at the next one, do the same thing. Pop that up, look at the next one. So you keep going there. As you get to the edge, you know there's gonna be a clip right in that corner. Go over there, gently, or no, you're gonna have to put some force into it, but don't snap it, just pop it up. Then you can pull the entire thing out, you're good to go. I've already gotten this one installed, looks amazing. So I'm gonna go to the passenger side now and get that one installed, but that's pretty much what you do. All right, so we're on the passenger side now, and I've gotten 5 of the 6 clips popped up. Figured this was a great time to show you guys exactly where the clips were located. So remember I told you at the edge there's one. As you can see, that's where it is, and this is what's in there. So you gotta take that, that's 1, that's 2, there's 3, 4, and then now 5, and then there's gonna be 6 right at that corner. I'm probably gonna just stick my hand in the side too, kind of add some pressure here, and I'm gonna pop it up without breaking anything. So take your time, be gentle while applying good amount of pressure, if that makes sense. But if you guys have changed a lot of these trim pieces, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Take your time. All right guys, look at that, I did not break any clips. So here's the edge on this one, perfectly intact. Here's the other edge, perfectly intact. So whenever I remove something and install something else, I always like to clean up whatever was below. So I'm gonna take this, spray that down. It's already clean, but just to make sure it's extra clean, I'm gonna wipe it down. But as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spots for clips. So yeah, let me spray this down, and then I'll show you guys how to install the new door sill. The new door sills come with their own hardware. They gave extra clips for some reason. You have 6 white ones, then they give you like 4 green ones. You do not need the 4 green ones. Well, this applies to G82. I don't know what it means for M3s, but yeah, so this one I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna use these 6 white ones. You have to insert them into the new door sill just as they were with the OEM ones. We have the new door sill out now. What we're gonna do is take the clip with the little circular or round part up top. You literally just slide it and it'll pop. Flip it, round side up top. Locks into place. Round part on top. Locks into place. And there you have it. Now I'm just gonna start on the edges and snap it all in. And just to quickly show you guys how I do this, I skipped the first one, I snapped the second one, I pushed the third one in, then I go to the fourth one. Where is it? Right here. So that was the third one. Now the fourth one, right there. Now I'm gonna snap. The edge just went in, and then the last one. And we're good. Then you just make sure that the rubber piece sealed properly. There you have it. It's installed. All right, guys, the sun is just about to set, so let's see what this looks like before it gets all dark out here. Oh, man. What a difference this makes to the engine bay, guys. And the quality of Goldenwrench, top notch, top notch. And I know I got those pieces in the engine bay. We also have a matching hood latch. And here we go with the carbon fiber door sills. Car is coming along, man. Car is coming along. What do you do when the car is just too fast? All I could do now, pretty much aesthetic mods. But we got a couple more things we need to do. You guys already saw one side. Here's the other one. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I get a carbon fiber engine cover or should we color match this to Brooklyn Gray? I'm good either way. Damn, what a view, guys. What a view. We might be doing some Downstar dress-up bolts next, so stay tuned for that. Until then, see you guys on the next one.